Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. Not a long time ago I was thinking to show you how can you check the polarity of different magnets out there. As example, because I am still working on my flux axial generator, I had decided to show you a simple small device which can test the polarity of pretty much any type of magnet out there. Let me show you. For this project, firstly we need a fan, to be more exactly a 12 volts computer fan, and after getting my hands on one, I have started dismantling prior to reveal the small 4-pin component which the fan contains in it, and after desoldering it, here we have it. This is a Hall effect sensor. To be more specifically, this one is just a FC276 two-phase Hall effect sensor. And according to the datasheet, the FC276 is a one chip composed of a Hall effect sensor and an output coil driver. Applied to a two-phase DC motor, the high sensitivity of the Hall effect sensor is suitable for motors at mid-type CPU coolers to blowers and DC fans. This Hall effect sensor is just a simple two-phase DC motor driver IC, but what is making this Hall effect sensor unique is its operating voltage range, which is starting at 2.8 volts and it can stand up to 20 volts, which is making possible to be powered by a CR2032 lithium 3 volts button cell. And after getting a suitable Vero board and some components, like example a momentary switch and two LEDs to show the North Pole and South Pole, and also a battery holder for the CR2032 from our old motherboard. Now let's have a look at the schematic which is now in front of you. The circuit is very simple and easy to replicate if needed, so give it a try. After grabbing all the required components, I start soldering them to one another. Now after getting the board ready, we can test it. Here I got a bunch of magnets laying on the table, some of them facing south, some of them facing north. And how we can test which side is which? Well, we can do like normally by taking two magnets and try approaching them. You see, north and south on them two small ferrite magnets are attracting. Now if I flip one, they should be repelling each other. Alright, so now if we get a tester, we know that now this should be south or north and this one as well should be south or north. But how can I see? Well, with the tester, we just turn it on and we approach it and check that both of them are facing south, indicated by the red LED. The bigger one as well, south, north, south, north. And even this one, which I have salvaged from a washing machine water pump, can be tested as well. And as you can see, it's working pretty much as it intended. After that, I went on to the design and designed the top and bottom side of the 3D case. But I have to let you know that this part can be omitted if you want to use the board as it is. And after slicing the top side and the bottom side in Cura, I fed them to the printer to do its part. And after both pieces are done, here we have them. The case turned out quite good. I am quite pleased with the result. And after I got the case, it was time to mount the board inside the case and close it all up with some small screws. After that was done, I got a new tester for my workbench. Details regarding the files, head down to the video description. I hope I will see you all in the next video. Till then, have a good day and thank you very much for watching. See ya!